friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw lost candies from Steal a Brainrot, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started on the left hand side, and we're going to start with the left eye. We're going to draw in a circle on the side. Let's move across on the right hand side, drawing in another circle, finishing that off. On the top left hand corner, we're going to draw in our second circle, making this one smaller for the highlight. And we're just going to color this eye in black. In the middle now for the nose, we're going to draw in a sideways oval. And then for the mouth, we're just going to curve this up right in the center. Closing it off on the bottom, we're going to draw in a nice big arch line. And then on the left and right hand side, we're going to draw in a sideways oval to close off that cheek underneath. Now moving up for the eyebrow, we're just going to curve this line through towards the center on a diagonal. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this back around and down. Now let's close off the middle. So right on the top, we're going to draw in a straight line across. We're going to draw in a diagonal line coming out on both sides, drawing that at the same size. Now from here, we're going to flatten that out, bringing that line down towards the bottom. And then we're going to draw in another diagonal line coming in towards the middle. Let's flatten this out again in the center with a straight line. And now moving around this, let's draw in a nice big circle. So right on the top, we're going to curve this line all the way around, creating our circle. And now let's draw in the candy cane stripe. So right in the middle, we're going to curve this line over and through towards the top, leaving a gap, stepping down. We're going to curve that line over. Let's come down, bringing this further through on a diagonal, scooping that across, moving in, curving that out. Let's do the same, moving over from the center, curving that through. Now stepping across, we're going to arch that line around and up. Again, moving over, curving that through. And then again on the side, just arching that around and through towards the top. Now let's draw in the arms. So on both sides, we're going to draw in a diagonal line coming out. We're going to draw in another diagonal line coming through towards the bottom. Now let's close this off, bringing this in towards that circle. We're going to draw in some diagonal lines. So we're going to start on the top with one. We'll move down, drawing in the second. Again, the third. And then one more, bringing that up. Now let's draw on the thumb. So on the top here, we're just going to draw in a rectangle for that thumb beside that line. And then now moving underneath, we're going to draw in another diagonal line coming across. On the top, let's bring this line out. And then we're going to bring that back down again towards the bottom. Now let's close this off with another straight line. And then moving through, we're going to close that off again, bringing that in, closing off the hand. And then we're just going to draw in two diagonal lines, stepping across, close off the fingers to separate them. And now let's draw on our legs. So from the inside, we're going to draw in a small diagonal line coming across. We'll step over, making this one bigger, ending that at the same height. Let's flatten this out on the bottom now with another straight line. Moving in, we're going to draw in a small diagonal line coming up towards the top. Let's step over again, replicating that. Let's draw in our third diagonal line. And then lastly, we're just going to draw in our fourth, finishing that off. Now let's come out. On the back, we're going to draw in a straight line coming in towards the middle. We will do the exact same thing, stepping over on the outside. Now from here, we're going to draw in a small straight line coming down in the middle. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the outside as well. Let's close this off with a straight line from left to right. Now on the inside, we're going to draw in another straight line coming down for the back of the shoe. And then we're just going to bring this diagonal line across. Let's bring this diagonal line up, straightening that out towards the top. And then from that corner, another diagonal line coming through towards the ankle. Now from each corner here, we're just going to flatten this out with a straight line, drawing those at the exact same size. Now let's close this off with a straight line. And then from that corner, bringing this line in on a diagonal towards the ankle. Now let's close this off. We're going to draw another diagonal line coming in. And then we're going to flatten this out right in the middle. Now let's draw on the candy cane to the right of this. We're going to leave a gap because we need to leave space for the arm. And we're going to start on the top, curving this around, flattening that out, bringing that down. We're going to curve this out on the left. And then we'll do the same thing on the bottom, making this wider, extending that through. Now on the top left, we're going to arch this line all the way around. And we're going to bring this down on the right-hand side. Now let's draw in the nose. So right in the center, we're going to draw in a small square. To the left and right-hand side of this, we're going to draw in a circle for the eye. Now on the top left-hand side, we're going to draw in another circle for the highlight. And then we're just going to color in our pupils black. Now up above for the eyebrow, we're going to curve this line through towards the center on a diagonal. And then we're going to flatten that out on the top. Now from that point, let's round that out, curving that in. We're going to draw in a sideways oval on the side for the cheek. And then in the middle, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right for the mouth. Dropping below this, let's draw in a nice big arch line, finishing that off. And then for the tongue, we're just going to curve this line across. Now let's draw on the pattern for the candy cane. So coming up, we're going to curve this line through towards the top on a diagonal. We're going to step over, replicating that. Now let's move across again, curving that out. Leaving a small gap, curving that through towards the side. Let's move down, curving that over and across. And then above the eyebrows, just curving that through towards the side. Now let's come down. We're going to arch this line in, extending that through to the side. Stepping down, leaving a gap. Let's arch this line over. And then again, coming across, replicating that one more time. Now let's draw in the arm. We're going to draw a diagonal line coming out on both sides. And then we're just going to draw a diagonal line coming in towards that candy cane. Let's start on the top with our first diagonal line coming in. Let's step down again, replicating that. Again, moving across. And then again, one more time. Now let's draw in a nice big square. So we're going to bring this line down. We will start on the inside, replicating that, ending that at the same height. And then we're going to close that off with a straight line. Now for the thumb, we're going to draw in a sideways rectangle, leaving a gap on the bottom. We're going to bring this line through in the middle towards the side. And then we're going to close this off with two diagonal lines coming over. Now for the legs, from the center, stepping over, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming across. We'll step over, replicating this, ending this at the exact same height. And then we're just going to close this off with a curved line from left to right. Let's start with our first diagonal line on the top. Let's step in for the second. And then one more on the inside. Moving in towards the back, we're going to draw in a small straight line coming in. We'll do the exact same thing as we step out on both sides. Now on the inside, we're going to draw in a straight line coming down. And then we'll move across, replicating that on the outside. Now from here, let's flatten this out with a straight line. Let's draw in a straight line coming down towards the bottom. And then we'll bring this line out on the side. Now let's bring this line across. And then we'll bring this line back up towards the top. Now let's bring this line in on a diagonal. From that inside corner, again, bringing this up towards the top. We'll bring this line through on a diagonal towards the back. And then we'll flatten this out, bringing this over. And then again, dropping down, we're just going to flatten that out with another straight line coming through. Stretching that out towards the back in the middle. And that is it. That's how you draw lost candies from Steal a Brainrot. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.